Demonic cat. The very first demon cat alive.
Do you store any of your pictures on Google Drive or anything?
No. I'm most likely going to post this one on YouTube.
Okay.
Look at this cat.
Yeah.
She tore up my hand. Every time I try to pet her belly button, this is what she does. This is what... She bit onto my shirt. What is wrong with this cat? Ben and Harry?
That's so weird, isn't it? I sent my son a link to that. He's going to think Mom's lost it. What kind of shit is she watching? You know?
What the hell's that guy doing?
I swear he used to exercise. I swear he used to exercise. I happened one day back in the store, I thought he had some kind of big exercise thing in there. Okay, now I have no idea what to bring up.
You're gonna fall off. You're gonna fall off.
I'll bring up Amazon.
You're gonna fall. I told you, little key. Oh, now you're gonna attack me because you fell off. Freaking. What?
I'm glad you're kind of wearing her out, probably. Right?
Go on. Get. Ah, Jack.
Damn, I'm getting hungry now. I got chicken. What else? Ooh, I should see if you like these teriyaki. I'm gonna have to order some more next month for when they come.
Teriyaki what?
Teriyaki chicken wings. It's spelled WNGYZ. They're pretty good. I've been just microwaving.
Ow! You little brat.
I made up these chicken nugget type things last night. And I looked to see a serving size. They say four of these chicken nuggets. Like I ate 10.
That cat's just like, boy, I don't want to attack your hand no more. Okay, you don't want to attack my hand?
I've worked a videotape before. No shit show. I was reading about that in a book. Somebody else's crap does that too. Don't like having pictures taken of their shit. That's like our dog. You can't do this to our dog. Point at her shit. You don't want to.
I wonder if cats like getting flipped off. Hey.
Our dog, she's growling.
Hey. Hey. Oh, I don't think the cat likes getting flipped off. She's ignoring. Come on. Are you gonna jump?
This is something like it usually lets you choose between.
I got her right when she jumped up. I threw my hand back and hit my other hand.
You'd have to charge your phone somehow.
Hey.
If your thing's like mine, somebody's phone. What the hell is that? Oh, it's Ray for some reason. Maybe he's here.